We'll guide you through how to make heart overlay in Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight motion on your device. Once the application is ready, press the Create New Project button to start a new project. Set up the project according to your needs. After you have finished adjusting the project settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button below the timeline to open the Add menu. From the available shape options, find and select the heart shape to add it to your timeline. After the heart shape has been added, open the Color and Fill settings for the selected layer. Choose any color that you want to use for the heart shape. Once you have selected the color, return to the Editing menu and press Effect to open the Effect menu. Inside the Effect menu, press Add Effect to open the Effect browser. In the Effect browser, go to the Repeat category and locate the Scatter Repeat effect. Select Scatter Repeat to add the effect to your heart shape layer. After the effect has been applied, open the Scatter Repeat settings. Adjust the count value to control how many heart shapes are duplicated across the screen. If the duplicated hearts appear too large, open the Move and Transform menu and reduce the size of the original heart until the overlay looks the way you want. Return to the Scatter Repeat settings and adjust the radius value to control how far apart the duplicated hearts are placed. Next, locate the Evolution option and turn on its keyframe animation. Add the first keyframe at the beginning of the layer. Move to the end of the layer and add a second keyframe. Set both keyframe values according to the animation that you want to create. After adjusting the keyframes, press the play button to preview the animation. By following every step, you have successfully created a heart overlay effect in Alight motion.